she cooks with joy, morning to night. Or crack the eggs, 1, 2, 3, cooking fun for you and me. Stir the batter nice and slow, pour it gently, watch it grow. Chop the carrots, orange and sweet, cut the veggies, what a treat. Add tomatoes, juicy and red, Doraa smiles, time to be fed. Flip the pancake high in the air, yummy smells are everywhere. Soup is ready, warm and bright, Chef Doraa makes it just right. Cooking's magic, come along, go sing with Doraa Chef Song. Healthy food so good to share, made with love and extra care.